this is David, doing a review for my jailbroken iPod. I have an iPod 2nd generation. I jailbroke it with Red Snow, running firmware 4.1. And right here you see I got the time of day lock screen. Got an Android lock. And my theme is called Awesome Abstract Theme, and I got just a standard springboard style. I got SP settings up here, and I got my category set up. Got Cydia right here. I don't know if you can see that. Cydia, Installous, Winterboard, and iFile. So Cydia is where I can download my themes and settings, and Installous is where I get my free apps. Winterboard where I can set my themes like I have now. In iFile I can explore the files in my iPod. And I have a setting called Locktopus, and it allows me to do this. I have to have a password to put in, and then it can launch just like normal, but you can password protect your stuff and set it to whatever you want. And the way you password protect is you hold it, and it'll pull up those little icons down the bottom right, bottom left, and you can just tap it once to lock it and tap it again to unlock it. If you see, my page goes down like that. I have a setting right here. It's called barrel, and it allows me to change the style of the way my page turns and stuff like that. So page transitions and stuff is pretty cool. So yeah, and I also have a WiFiFoFum. I use this app pretty much every day. Like, it's one of my most used apps on here, and costs a little bit of money in the App Store, but it's worth it because you can. It's a lot better than the standard stock Wi-Fi in settings because it explores and gets a lot more networks. And I'm already connected to a network right now. And another app I use a lot is the Weather Channel. It's a lot better than the standard weather app that comes with the iPod because it's a lot more detailed, and it's got a lot better stuff on there. You can have 10-day forecasts and stuff like that, like this, and you just have a big detail list. And then another thing I use, like, these are all kinds of entertainment apps. Inside Redbox, really good app to get free promo codes for movies. So you can just type in the code at any Redbox location, get a free movie rental. It tells you where and how and what code to use and stuff. So it's pretty cool. Inside Redbox Pro. And another one I use is, of course, you got Facebook and Yahoo Messenger, Skype, and Text Plus. I use a lot. It's Text Plus 4. You can text to phones or other iPod devices. As long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, you can text, and it just gives you a number, and you can just use that to text your friends or whatever. Works really awesome. So yeah. And then I have picture editor programs like Photo Effects and Live FX and WallpaperFactory. You can get tons of wallpapers and stuff, so it's pretty cool. So check that out. And music, I use WunderRadio is really cool. Ad free. You can stream over the internet As long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, you can stream radio. And Pandora, that's a popular app. It works great as long as you have an internet connection. You can stream any music you want, set up your playlist and everything. So it's really cool. And Tremor is really cool. It's one of my favorite music apps. You can actually remix music and stuff like that. So it's really cool. It gives you like a DJ platform. You can pick music from the internet or your device or your computer or whatever. And it's really cool because you can just do remix and stuff like that right here. And do all kinds of settings and stuff like that. So, really cool. And of course, ElectroBeats. That's a really cool app. It's kind of spendy, but it's worth it because you can do all kinds of remix and stuff like that. So, really cool. I like it a lot. And you can do just like little beats right here and change it up. You can edit your sounds and stuff like that. It's got lots of neat little features and everything like that, so that's definitely an awesome app to have. And games. Okay, there's Slide Down Lock, Fruit Ninja, which is really cool, Chopper 2, which is probably one of my, either my number 1 or number 2 app. It's really awesome. And TowerBloxx, which you build towers, dropping blocks on it. And Burn the Rope, it's a newer app, but it's really cool. Icy Tower, it's a classic, but I like that a lot. And Jailbreaker, that's a popular one too, it's really awesome. And Tap Tap Revenge 4, that one's really cool. So, check those apps out. They're really neat. And, yeah,